The government says it will help more people acquire land titles and Westmoreland will get special attention. The commitment follows mounting concerns from stakeholders about land ownership and board structures in the parish since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Carmita Richards is one of the over 5,000 people who lost their home in eastern Westmoreland during Hurricane Melissa. And like many, her family lived in a board structure.
Lost almost everything, my dresser, see me what not, everything gone.
Beside her, the only house that's left standing on the land that her family has been occupying for years.
Me would need to cover this house, the concrete house.
This is your house here too?
Yes, we need to cover it. We just cover it and satisfy.
Mayor of Savannah Lamar, Dan Reed Lancey, told TVJ News that as people look to rebuild, the government has to lead the way.
As best as possible, those of us who are rebuilding should try and rebuild with concrete structures.
We need to settle the issue of land tenureship. These persons build board houses for the most part because they don't own the piece of land that they're occupying. We had put forward a proposal to move the time period for you to occupy government land from 60 to 25 years. We think this is time for this government to adopt that policy so that persons in Westmoreland, eastern Westmoreland and the rest of Westmoreland, can gain rightful tenureship to the piece of land that they're on so that they can build a more permanent structure to prevent a disaster of this magnitude in the future.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness explained that the government is already crafting measures to address the issue of land ownership in the parish.
What we are doing now is to use this opportunity to see how best we can regularize many of the persons who have been occupying lands informally. It is an opportunity to bring structure, to bring permanence, and to look at the plight of many citizens who have not had the benefit of land security.
And so, over the next few months,
I've given Minister Montague an assignment to see how best we can scale up the land titling programs that we have under the NLA, including the systematic land titling program, which will bring titles and regularization to many communities.